Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook Messenger group calling. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Messenger app and navigate through your conversations until you find the group chat where you want to initiate a group call. This could be any existing group conversation you have with multiple friends, family members, or colleagues. Once you've located the right group chat, simply tap on it to open the conversation. Now that you're inside the group chat, direct your attention to the top of your screen. You'll notice two calling options available at the top of the conversation. You have the choice between an audio call icon and a video call icon. The audio call is perfect if you just want to have a voice conversation, while the video call option allows everyone to see each other during the call. Choose whichever option suits your needs best and tap on it to start the call. After you initiate the call, you'll need to wait a moment while the other members of your group receive the notification and join. Be patient during this time, as it may take a few seconds for everyone to pick up. You'll see their names appear on your screen as they join the call one by one. Once people have started answering your call and joining, take a look at the top of your screen again. You'll see a plus icon with a human figure next to it. This is the Add Participants feature, and it's incredibly useful if you want to expand your group call on the fly. Go ahead and tap on this icon. After tapping the plus icon, a search interface will appear where you can look for other people you want to add to your ongoing group call. Simply type in their name or scroll through your contacts to find them. Once you've found the person you want to add, tap on their name to invite them to the call. They'll receive a notification and can join the conversation immediately. Now, here's something important to keep in mind. When you add someone to your group call using this method, they won't just be added to the call temporarily, they'll also be automatically added to the group chat itself. This means they'll have access to the entire conversation history and will remain part of the group even after the call ends. So make sure you're comfortable with this before adding someone, as it changes the group chat composition permanently. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to start a group call and add new participants during the conversation. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.